currently piping down Hawaiian rolls with crab rangoon filling. I feel insane. I feel like I'm doing it wrong. I don't know. To be continued. I need a vacation. I know. I just got back from a week away, but it was work. It was a workcation, you know? It wasn't like a vacation. I'm going away for 2 days with Colin. We have a very short family trip to P-Town, Provincetown in Cape Cod. But if this is like Massachusetts, the Cape kind of comes off like this. Provincetown is like at the tip, and Boston's like up here. When we realized we were gonna be going, I looked at ferry tickets. Sold out. So we're not gonna take the ferry. We're gonna drive all the way down and then all the way out. The people who are coming is going to be my mom, my stepdad, my youngest brother, Sam. We love Sam. And Sam's fiance. And we're gonna go to dinner on Saturday night and then do a drag brunch in the morning, and it is going to be fun. I'm also looking forward to staying at the Prince Albert guest house. The only thing is it might rain for the entire time. We'll see. It'll still be so much fun. It's a change of scenery. Starting vacation off strong at the Tile Showcase place. Travel outfit. Wanna get tattoos? Wanna get tattoos? This is a hotel. Vast improvement from every place we stayed on tour. favorite thing about this little seat that overlooks the water. So wistful, beautiful. Okay, we're ready for dinner in B-Town. I love it here, and I am so happy. That's cute.
They play the clarinet player. This might be my car coming up. Does it say too deep?
It sounds like me when I'm with. I know the next picture would be like her in a full body cast.
I fell at Zumba.
Yeah.
The beach now.
Sure, at any point.
Good morning from Provincetown, my beautiful room. Why are we here? We are on our first ever, hopefully of many, Mother's Day trips. I love little weekend trips like this, where you get to be bougie on a budget for just a little while. I love having an ocean view, waking up to the ocean view. Lovely. Colin is checking out the lay of the land. I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick, because this morning we're doing a drag brunch. My brother and his fiance are looking at wedding venues here for next fall. His husband-to-be does drag. We are supportive allies. So we're doing a drag brunch, and it's gonna be epic. Drag brunch outfit of the day. Leather jacket over it. There's a vision. I've gotten really, really good at like getting ready and packing and checking out because of all of the places that we were at over tour for like one night. Colin went to go get the car. We're checking out shortly. I'm not worried about checking out whatsoever, because I've got time. Well, I've got like 10 minutes. I'm basically packed up. We didn't take very many items because we were only here one night. The amount of products I use in a day, you gotta bring them all. This morning we're going to a monument to see if it's a possible wedding venue for my brother and his fiance. Let's pack up, get ready and go. Something that I want to read you that I found funny. They give you like, you know, a sheet with like directions on it and like rules and stuff. Two funny things. Okay. If your fire alarm goes off in the middle of the night, parentheses, this rarely happens, feel free to reach up and twist the round disc. This will take it off the ceiling. You can then unplug it from the ceiling and then remove the batteries and go back to sleep. We'll fix it in the morning. There's a kitchen downstairs that has a bunch of like toiletries and like just like things that you need. You can buy a drink and just like put $1 in the basket, you know, honor system. But it says, if you're looking for something, try the kitchen. If it is there, it is for your use. Please rummage through the cupboards, but please do not eat breakfast food. It's cute. Prince Albert Guest House, Provincetown. Highly recommend. Absolutely stunning ocean view. Let's get ready to go now, actually. Here's another funny one. You will change bedding on the 4th night of a stay unless you specifically request it due to unforeseen circumstances. Bye, room.
It's a pretty extraordinary day.
It is.
Yeah. So this is all. Pretty fast from the sky in Hawaiian. It's high down right now. Away the flow.
Oh, you can see. Oh, that's creepy. I know. Yeah, probably. I'm scared. Should we go back down?
I think so. Oh, let's see here. Yeah.
I have to pee so bad. Are they back here?
I don't see them out here.
Maybe they went inside to the museum. Whew.
For an hour after.
Oh shit, I forgot it's there. Yeah, now, probably.
Are you guys parked right there?
Oh my goodness gracious.
Come to why, hey! That's right. I'm just a 20-something afternoon. That's all I need for you. Begging for your praise. Please love me. Gaze, gaze, love me. I think the gaze, gaze, love me.